In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an employee to your account. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Teamwork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. In this case, that's Alpine University. If you don't have enterprise level permissions, you won't be able to add a new employee. Next, choose Employees from your drop-down menu. Once you arrive at your list of employees, click the Add button above the chart. Now you can enter your new employee. Start with their first name. I'll put Oak. Last name might be Poison. Then you need to give them a username. In this university, that's just the first name. And a password. This is just for them to first sign into their account. So make it something random and easy that they will change as soon as they log in. So I will do our conventional password for newcomers. And then if you are coordinating this with a different system, go ahead and enter in the external ID that is associated with that other system. So I'll put 1234. If you changed your mind and you don't want to add this employee, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to click Add. And now this new employee's settings and information will come up, and Teamwork 5 is going to ask me to fill the rest of this out. I'm not going to do that right now. Instead, go to your new top menu bar and click on Employees. Then look towards the bottom of your chart and you'll see Oak Poison has been added to my list of employees. When you first add an employee, their status will be pending because Teamwork 5 is integrating them into the system. Once that integration is complete, their status will automatically change to active. That's how you can add a new employee to your organization. Check out the next video to learn how to view and update your employees' personal information.